Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So guys, today we are talking about one of the Google smart features that's been trending everywhere. Yes, that is Circle to Search. But wait, this time I'm going to show you how you can get it on your iPhone or iPad, even if you are not using Android mobile. So stay tuned till the end because I will share step by step how to enable it and use it like a pro. Before that, if you are new here to our channel, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves for more creative videos. So alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is Circle to Search? It's that awesome feature from Google's where you can just circle any object, text, image on your screen and instantly get Google results about it, and without even switching the app. Android users got it first, but good news is there's now a way to use some power on iPhones and iPad tools also. So step 1 is first install the Google app from the App Store. First install it and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Then after downloading, step 2 is go to Shortcut app. Here you can click on plus icon that is right of the corner. Tap on add action. Here now search image with lens. Yes, here you can see. Now tap the down arrow here, tap on rename and name the shortcut, then tap on done. Now our shortcut is created guys. It is time to prepare it for action. Now the step 3 is head over to the settings, then go to accessibility, tap on that, tap on touch, then scroll down, tap on back tap and then choose double tap, then scroll to shortcut section and here pick image with lens. Here you can see guys, and now that's it. Now guys, it's time to get the real Circle to Search experience on iOS. Now let's try it. Now just tap back side of your iPhone and here you can see, just choose whatever image you want and done. Ta-da guys, you can see guys, wow, very amazing. Here you can see it provides with all its information as well as with similar images also. Wow. So guys, try on your iPhone or iPad and go ahead and try it out. You will be surprised how accurate it is, and comment me how it is working on your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. So guys, if this video helped you, drop a comments and don't forget to hit and like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon because we have got more powerful tech hacks and tutorials coming right here on the TechnoWaves channel. Thanks for watching.